Hi everyone, this is Ian with the K Grant Group. Today we will be covering the state of the housing market in Arizona for April of 2020. We will be looking at the most recent published reports, and I will be going over the most current relevant statistics that we have access to. So without further ado, let's get into it. The strongest indicator when we're predicting housing prices is going to be the amount of available inventory. Naturally, the lower the inventory and higher the demand is going to drive up the price per square foot and vice versa. When we're looking at total inventory available, we do see a little sharp upward trend as opposed to previous year trends, with an increase of 17.1% month over month. But we are still falling very short when you compare it year over year. This is due to a couple of factors. The most obvious being the coronavirus orders to stay at home has slowed home purchases, but not home listings. The normal uptick for available inventory that we historically see this time of year. Also, since construction has been considered an essential service, new home construction has likely been allowed to play a little catch-up. Though don't let this fool you, as of April 29th, 2020, the total active listings has dropped from the previous slide I just showed you, which was current at the end of March 2020. Not by a lot, but it does show that for the next month, we are likely going to see purchase trends pick up. When looking at total sales, this is the curve that we would expect to see this time of year, as you can see from the previous year comparison. Though normally we would have expected a sharper curve, but for reasons that we've stated before, it is pretty similar year over year. You would think that the current state of affairs would be causing a lack of buyer competition, and it would contribute to the slight dip when we are looking at the new list prices of 0.4% year over year. But this is contradicted by actual sales prices, where we see an increase of 11.2% year over year as of the end of March. Looks like everybody still wants to move to Arizona. In the coming months, we predict it will still be a seller's market if inventory demands are still not being met. So if you are interested in selling your home, we are more than happy to give you a free evaluation of that home. Thanks for listening, everyone, and we'll see you next time.